I'm Mike Smith, and I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you about a Model 6235 Woodchipper. This is a 6-inch hydraulically fed chipper with a 35 horsepower Vanguard engine. A lot of good features on this unit, and I want to start by showing you some things of what's inside under the hood. So to begin with, to fold this down, there's a bolt on the other side that you have to remove first. And then you simply fold it over, and you can expose the flywheel. With the hood open, there is a safety switch here that would keep you from being able to, keep anyone from being able to start the engine while the cover is off. With the flywheel open, you can see the blades on this side, and they're split blades, so they're reversible as well. So if you were to happen to chip one of the blades, you don't have to replace the entire thing. You can just flip over a section. Balanced flywheel, very smooth operating machine. Everything under here is heavy duty. The fan on the back side has got blades adequate enough to discharge the material that the machine digest as it comes through and blow it out the discharge chute. Heavy duty bearings mounted on machine steel surface. All of these bearings, no matter whose machine they're on, are made of cast iron, these bearing housings. And if you bolt them to a surface that is not machined flat, then this housing will crack. So we machine our surface completely flat before we bolt these to it, so that you don't run the risk of that housing cracking. Should you ever encounter any issue where a piece of wood gets jammed, stuck inside the chipper, a lot of manufacturers don't make it easy for you to be able to remove that wedge or that stuck piece of wood. We've got one simple clip that you remove that allows you to pull this pin out of the hole without any tools. And then you can simply fold the back of the machine open to be able to reach in and get whatever kind of debris may be clogged. And once again, safety. We have a switch here that keeps you from being able to run the machine while it's open. Like with all Salsco products, safety is the #1 issue for us. We always want to make these units as safe as possible. We put emergency stop switches on the back of this machine, one on either side, so if you were to get in trouble being pulled into the machine, you could easily hit either one of those and it'll stop the machine. And you can also depress on this bar, which puts it in the reverse mode and makes it come back out. This unit's mounted on a over-the-road trailer, complete with lights and fenders, and we have a skirt on the front so that the automobile, the truck that you're pulling it with, doesn't throw dirt up to get into your engine. It shields your engine from the debris flying up from your tires. We also have a fuel tank that is mounted behind this shield, and a 35 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Vanguard engine. All Salsco chippers that are hydraulically fed have the option of speed sensing. Speed sensing monitors the flywheel RPMs, and whenever those RPMs drop below a certain point, it stops the hydraulic feed to keep from choking your engine down. Thanks for taking time to watch the video on the Salsco 6235. If you need more information, you can call us or check us out on the web at www.salsco.com.